As in any medical device company, you have processes in many different systems. We had processes that were manual, quality processes that were in our ERP system that should not have been in our ERP system. We had processes in other electronic quality management systems that were very unuser-friendly and not intuitive. So when we were looking at revamping our quality management system, we were also looking in parallel, not only to streamline our processes, but also look for a tool that would be able to bring our manual processes electronically and enhance the user experience. Make our processes be able to be used in a more compliant manner by providing the tools to allow for that use. We have 8 processes right now within ETQ. They have been brought together and we're able to link everything together. We have 5 manufacturing sites throughout the world that use one system with one center of data that is available and searchable across the organization. We can innovate quickly with our products and maintain the compliance that we need, as well as making sure that we provide the best product out there to our customers.